Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, I cannot start this video with any other words than these words. You celebrate at your own peril is the words that Abba Kyari is effectively sending to the Nigerian state. You celebrate, but I will have the last laugh is really the reading of what this guy is messaging to the Nigerian people. So guys, I bring you this. I have been working from home, hope to resume at Aso Rock soon. Abba Kyari. So this is the headline that we're contending with. Abba Kyari, of course, sending a message to the Nigerian population. I have been working from home, hope to resume at the villa soon. And this is a headline attributed to Buhari's Man Friday, Abba Kyari. So now let's now see what the Malami has to say. The chief of staff to the president, Abba Kyari, Sunday admitted that he had tested positive for CV. In a letter he wrote to Nigerians, Kyari said he tested positive for the disease last week and would move to Lagos for further medical tests based on doctors' advice. The president's chief of staff, who expressed optimism that he would resume work soon, said he was yet to experience any of the symptoms associated with CV. The letter reads, I am writing to let you know that on medical advice, I transferred to Lagos today, and that is Sunday, for additional tests and observations. This is a precautionary measure. I feel well, but last week I tested positive for CV, the pandemic that is sweeping the world. I have followed all the protocols the government has announced to self-isolate and quarantine. I have made my own care arrangements to avoid further burdening the public health system, which faces so many pressures. Like many others that will test also positive, I have not experienced high fever or other symptoms associated with this new virus and have been working from home. I hope to be back at my desk soon. So this is effectively a threat that this guy, the de facto president of the Nigerian state, is issuing to Nigerians, that you think you have gotten rid of me. Dream on is effectively what this Aboki guy is saying to the Nigerian people. And this is a guy, by the way, that is way down already with all manners of ailments, diabetes, and all manners of strange and wondrous stuff. So Abba Kyari is effectively issuing caution to the Nigerian people that, look, I am going nowhere and I will continue to koboko you for the remaining 4 years if I had my way. It's effectively what this guy is saying. So now what says you now? Abba Kyari is now cautioning you that there's no escape, no retreat, no surrender, and you will forever be under his vice grip. So now, what is your reading of this message that this person has put in the public space? Because of course, Abba Kyari has no constituency. He was not elected by anybody. Nobody knew him as a quantity within the Nigerian space before Malam Buhari brought him into the public consciousness, and he has been weighing down upon that country down since 2015. Go speak to Nnamdi Kanu and he will tell you his own narrative. Fani Kayode will tell you his narrative. Showore will tell you his narrative. Abba Jalingo will tell you his narrative. The Shiite movement in Nigeria will tell you their narrative, and all of that narrative is associated with this guy's name, Abba Kyari, and is now coming out now in the public space to tell you that you think you have escaped. Dream on. But what is your dream then regarding this element, this Fulani guy? In the comment section, this is what I'm requesting of you. Come share thoughts. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what your reading is of this public pronouncement by this Malami guy, Abba Kyari, in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here, I say, peace.